By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down and where we wept when we remember Zion. 'Cause the wicked carry us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha's song in a strange land? Yes, Sus, Jessica and Nigel, just want to come and voice our opinion, let you guys know, which you already know. We're not letting you know anything new. You know, this stuff is not cool. We're all human beings. If you cut me or cut anybody else, it's blood. The color is red. Don't matter the color of your skin, how dark of a shade you are, or how clear of a shade you are. It doesn't matter. We're all humans. You know what I mean? We breathe the same air. We live on the same planet. It's time for us to live as one. For 400 years now, black people has been suffering. It's time for it to stop. And if you have a voice, you need to let your voice be heard. Now is not the time for us to say, oh, black people need to repatriate and go back to Africa. No. Because everybody is mixed and intertwined. You know what I mean? So there's no time for that. We're beyond that now. This is the time for us to unite and come together as all God's children. Because it's necessary.
I mean, never did we think that in a million years we would have to have this conversation. But it's a conversation that has to be, has to have it. It has to happen.
Because obviously some people are not learning.
And as black people, as black business owners, we face racism. We face racism. We know everyone loves us, but we know.
Oh, stick a pin. I was born and raised in Jamaica. I hear about racism. I watch movies like Root, 12 Years of Slavery, but I never experienced racism until I came to here in America. And I'm telling you, that experience, if you haven't had that experience, you don't want that experience. It makes you feel less than an animal. Because that's how I felt. And turning on the TV and seeing what's going on right now, it hurts my heart. It hurts me. It hurts me on every level of my being. It's not cool. For those of you who are saying all life matters, yes, all life matters. But in this space and time that we are, black lives don't matter. So that's why we have to say Black Lives Matter. Because it seems like you guys don't get it. You know what I mean? What happened to One Love? You guys come to Jamaica and, oh, One Love, we love Bob Marley and all that. Then let's show it. Let's live it. Let's be it.
Right here in the United States.
Right here in your own country. You know?
So if you're wondering, like, what can I do to make a change? What can I do if I'm not a person of color? Just stand in solidarity. Stand in solidarity and know that this isn't a passing issue. This is an issue that's gone on for just so long. And
400 years.
And people are just tired. They're tired. So we thank you. We thank you for being with us. We thank you for standing with us. We thank you. We thank you.
We appreciate of it.
Yes.
For real.
Yes. Yes. So,
Yeah, man.
Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter.
Thank you.
One love. And remember, stand up for the truth. Sometimes we say in Jamaica, or I guess we say it all over the world, the truth hurt. But through a little hurt, it will help us all to grow as one race, the human race. Love and harmony. Nigel and Jessica out.